Welcome to the most filmed restaurant from YouTubers in Pigeon Forge, the Old Mill Restaurant. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Pigeon Forge to try out the Old Mill Restaurant. We've been wanting to try this for many times whenever we come, but with the hustle and bustle, we finally got our chance. Let's go check it out.
Parked at the Old Forge Plaza to get us something to eat, and in here you'll find the distillery, Iron Mountain Metal Craft, and lots of more.
There is a lot of shopping. You got creameries, potteries, distilleries, all kinds of things. So after lunch, Brian, you and I should go around and walk this area.
I know. So right now we're walking through the distillery toward the restaurant. We're going to find out what's all around here, because this is the Old Mill Square. As you see, there's the Old Mill, and right here, probably can't see because of the sun, is the Old Mill Restaurant. And we're going to go ahead and go up
to the entrance.
Okay, I'm sure there's a wait.
So let's go see what the wait is. The hours are from 8 until 8:30.
So welcome to the Old Mill. Here's a little bit of history about it. Pigeons plus forge equals Pigeon Forge.
So as you can tell, it has like that cool old rustic look. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh, look at the pigeons. Gracious, look, Beatbox says ducks and pigeons.
So if you notice, they're working on the bridge that a lot of people go on whenever they're filming back this way. There's the water and the spillover right through here. Look at all the beautiful ducks.
Somebody must have scared them.
That's pretty. Well, we'll continue on.
Okay.
Doesn't look too busy, so that's good. We're going to try to get some lunch. This restaurant is a smoke-free environment.
And here's the menus on the outside.
Here's the menus, yep.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And for those of you who aren't able to climb the steps or your knees hurt, they have an elevator.
They have a lot of pictures and old paintings.
And just a lot of the history that went into the mill.
First, I want you to look at the salt and pepper shakers right here.
Little
Awesome.
bears.
Little bears.
And then they set us at a good view. Look at that. Beautiful view. Can't wait to get out there and see what they have in those shops.
Here's the menu, the lunch menu. So I won't go over everything, but
they have country fried chicken. Let's see, barbecue platters. They have sugar cured city ham, burgers and sandwiches, and from the water. So they even have some fish.
Wow.
And then they also have that Southern Classics. I don't think we filmed coming in, but if you'll just take a look at it, it's like the old rustic look. It's got the log cabin features in it with the chandeliers. And we entered from downstairs, so we're going to come back in and show y'all that again. But this place is fairly large. Let's see. It is huge upstairs and downstairs. So I guess in the mornings for breakfast and maybe for lunch, they kind of sit you right here, right, Big Box? He's being good so
This is
far.
my first time here. Yeah, I'm being good. Okay, so I think we know what we're going to get. And being on our diet.
It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change.
Oh, well, being on our lifestyle change, we are trying to stay away from everything but meat, if possible, or
no starches, no carbs.
No starches and carbs. So some of this comes with a lot of great tasting mashed potatoes and corn chowder and things like that.
Yeah, and corn. What is it called? Corn muffins or corn fritters? So corn fritters.
I might take a sniff, and I might take a bite too.
Look there. So I decided to go with a chopped steak and the green beans, a double-sided green beans. Okay. And what are you doing, Beatbox?
I'm getting the pot roast and gravy, and I'm going to get 2 green beans instead of getting the mashed potatoes.
Okay, so we'll see how long this lasts. Hopefully it'll last at least until we get off our cruise.
Or at least until tonight.
And our son's getting married this year, so we definitely got to keep this up until November. So, you know, I'm going to be dying to get me some ice cream or candy.
Tonight. All right, so they started us out with the delicious corn chowder.
And look at this, y'all. The first thing, corn chowder. Everything that we can't have. It looks like it has potatoes, corn. It's in heavy cream. It's got some carrots in there and some peppers. It just, let me see how it smells too.
It's got onions. Oh my. Taste it and tell us what it tastes like.
No, I'm going to let you do the taste. I might try some of the cream.
No, taste this.
Oh. Let me see you taste it.
All right. And look, what is this? Look at this.
Oh, yeah, I was going to open up one. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my goodness.
We'll take those home to the children.
Okay. I was going to say I'll eat one, but.
Well, I was going to show one for them, so let me open it up. And I'm doing this for y'all. I'm not going to eat it because, you know, this is another one of my favorites. You got it on there, Beatbox?
She's not going to eat it.
I promise I won't. But I'm doing this for y'all. You don't know how hard
I'll
it is.
eat it, watch.
This is very hard to touch it and not eat it.
It's temptation.
Look at that.
Smell it. Let me see what it smells like.
Ready? Go.
Oh, I'm kind of dark? Yeah, because of the light. I'm only going to have 1 or 2 bites of this.
Okay.
Oh, it smells so good. Wow.
Wait. You said just 1 bite.
I said 1 or 2.
Look at the steam off of it. Hold on. I want to show them that steam.
God, it's delicious.
And if you happen to come here, just make sure that you comment below and tell us what you got. If any of y'all got the turkey and dressing, I want to see pictures. We're going to have to come back in November and get that after the wedding.
Someone's going to have to take this off the table. So here is my pot roast. Let me get a better.
Maybe I need to go over there.
Here's my pot roast. Looks very good. Cut it open.
Yeah, let's cut this and see what
and give me a.
So juicy.
Give me wow! Look at that.
You don't even really need wow.
Oh, okay, I can do that with a fork. Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Very good.
Looks delicious.
Now let's look at yours.
Okay. And chopstick. So I'm gonna open this. Do you want to or cut this open for them?
Yeah, they gave you a good steak knife since you got the steak.
Yes. So let's see if we can see in the juiciness. Look at that. Ooh. See those juices rolling?
God, you can almost cut that.
Yeah.
Now, is that well done or?
It is.
Okay.
So
sure is.
On the chopstick, she said it does take a little bit longer. So if it comes out the kitchen and it's taking a little bit of time, that's because they're trying to get it well done.
It's good? Is it good? Wow. Okay. Tell me about these string beans.
And look at how it looks like the Italian string beans. Look at those. Delicious. And you should smell them. I mean, just look at the heat coming off of them. It's very good. You know, I had to try the pepper just to see. The kid in me wants to know. Isn't that cute?
Shake that bear. Okay, so for 2 delicious meals, our total comes to $41.23. It's not too bad for a beautiful view and a great lunch right here at Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
It's lived up to its expectations. Oh, it's pecan pies. Look at that. Delicious
Gosh,
pecan
smells
pie.
good right here, don't it?
Yummy. Pecan pie chocolate cake for $19.99. And the pecan pie is $17.99. So whenever you're walking out the door, they're going to give you a delicious smell.
Here's the Old Mill General Store. And let's go walk off some of this food.
Absolutely. And we need to show them the wheel.
And we'll see what we got around the little neighborhood here.
Mm-hmm. Here's where you can get on the elevators. So the Old Mill has been here since 1830. Wow, that's awesome.
Just a couple years before I was born.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Old Mill restaurant right here in Pigeon Forge. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did filming it. I can guarantee you it will definitely hit every taste bud that you ever dreamed of this being. It was amazing. I loved it. It was delicious. Alrighty. Well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss a thing. We may not be beaching, but we are definitely in the mountains. See you next time.
Did you eat all of your food?
Heck no, I got leftovers. And I even took that corn chowder to the children.
Just to let y'all know here that after we get off our lifestyle change, we're heading over to that creamery.
And I am coming for some turkey and dressing in the creamery. That's because they're trying to get it well done. You don't want mad cow disease.
I hate when they get mad at me.
Wait, what?
I was doing it for that fella over there, look.
Yeah. Go ahead, tell us how it tastes.
All right, let me see.
Oh, first time cheater. What's it taste like?
You wouldn't like this at all.
You know, you just could have ate the butter.